What foods are best for tinnitus relief? Have you ever wondered if what you eat can affect your tinnitus? While there is no cure for tinnitus, certain foods may help reduce the severity or frequency of its symptoms. Let's explore some dietary choices that could support ear health and potentially ease tinnitus symptoms. First, fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These nutrients may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to tinnitus. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals can be beneficial. Next, consider adding whole grains and dietary fiber to your diet. Foods rich in fiber support vascular health, which is important since healthy blood flow can influence how we perceive tinnitus. Think about including oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread in your meals. Dairy products are another food group to consider. They provide vitamin B12, a nutrient that some studies suggest may be associated with reduced tinnitus severity. While the evidence isn't definitive, including yogurt or cheese in your diet could be a good idea. Caffeine is a bit of a mixed bag. Some research suggests that moderate caffeine intake may be linked to lower odds of persistent tinnitus. However, individual responses can vary, so it's important to pay attention to how your body reacts. Foods high in potassium, like bananas and other tropical fruits, may also support overall hearing health. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance in the inner ear, which is crucial for normal auditory function. Additionally, higher protein intake and nutrients like calcium and iron have been observed in some studies to correlate with reduced tinnitus. However, more research is needed to fully understand these associations. It is essential to remember that no specific diet is recognized as a standalone treatment for tinnitus. Instead, dietary choices should be part of a comprehensive management plan developed with healthcare professionals, including audiologists and physicians. Avoiding known dietary triggers, which can vary from person to person, and maintaining a balanced, nutrient-rich diet can contribute to overall ear health and potentially lessen the impact of tinnitus. In summary, the best foods for tinnitus relief are those that promote vascular and nerve health while reducing inflammation. Focus on consuming fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, whole grains, dairy products for vitamin B12, potassium-rich fruits like bananas, and consider moderate caffeine intake based on your tolerance. These dietary recommendations align with general healthy eating principles and may support tinnitus management, but always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.